Hey Sasfreaks, how are you? So in this video we are gonna review a tool that is peppertype.ai. Basically peppertype.ai is a GPT-3 based AI content writing software that will help you in writing blog posts, emails, ad copies and many more. So there are tons of GPT-3 based content writing software currently in AppSumo only. So I know you would be a bit confused on choosing them, but honestly telling, watch this video, it will be definitely worth it. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, we will discuss the pricing of peppertype.ai. Basically this is the homepage of peppertype.ai, and if you have seen my earlier video that I reviewed Write Cream, in that video I said clearly that Write Cream is mainly made for email personalization and copywriting. If you want a tool that will help you in email personalization and copywriting, just see that video. Okay, so let's see here. So the title of peppertype.ai is your virtual content assistant. So we can judge that it's mainly made for a long form of content and kinda that. Okay, so when we go below, here are the companies who are trusting peppertype.ai. Then here are the use cases. Okay, basically peppertype.ai has over 25 use cases that I saw, and honestly after using it I felt that it is a combination of writer and Write Cream, or you can say Write Sonic. So you will get a good taste of both copywriting and long form of content. However, if you are searching for a tool that will help you in copywriting, I will personally suggest to go with either Write Sonic or Write Cream. Okay, but if you are searching for a tool that can help you in long form of content or blog post, then this is something that can help you. So let's see more. Okay, so you can also sign up for a free trial if you want. However, we LTDNs want everything from AppSumo, so that's something to consider. Okay, so here is it, how it works. It is very easy, so I will also show you that. So basically here are the reviews or testimonials of many peoples, and some are very popular people like Vaibhav Cincinnati. Okay, so let's leave this. Yes, one of the most important information that I wanna give you guys, that peppertype.ai has received fund of $4.2 million. That's really huge. And basically why funds are important from a customer perspective. Basically it helps in judging the you can say the future of any company. Okay, so we can actually judge the sustainability of any company if we can see how much fund they have. Okay, so it's good from that perspective too. And yes, this is the contact us, like that page. Okay, so just see, let's see the pricing from the official page. Just let's go to peppertype pricing. So yeah, this is the pricing from official page. Okay, that is starter plan will cost you $25 per month, then growth plan that will cost $165 per month, then a custom plan that you can just contact them and make. Okay, so basically when I am when recording this video, they are also running an LTD on AppSumo. So I will just go there and let's see the pricing. Okay, so yeah, this is the pricing. They have basically three tier. First one, tier 1 is of $39, and that will consist of one user with 7500 short form content words per month, and same for long form as well. Then for tier 2 plan, you have to invest $99. That will give you 5 user access, then unlimited short form of content, then 15,000 long form content words per month. Then in the third tier, that will cost you $199. You will get 20 users, then unlimited short form content words per month, then 70,000 long form contents per month. So basically it was 40,000. It just got increased merely 2-3 hours ago. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is long form and what is short form according to paper type. Basically, short form content are the content like blog topics, website copies, social media captions, Twitter ideas, ad copies, or you can say anything that is under one paragraph. Okay, however, long form content are like before and after bridge copywriting, YouTube video descriptions, blog contents, and other, which will which takes words like which are basically more than one paragraph. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's it. So yeah, this was the pricing. I will provide the link of this page in the description, and obviously that would be my affiliate link. I will get a bit of commission if you buy through that link, but it won't cost you any extra penny, so it will help me in making videos like this. Okay, so if we compare the pricing with Writer, so I have opened the Writer page as well. Here is the plan of Writer. Basically, Writer only has one plan in AppSumo, that is of $39, and that will give you access to 50,000 characters per month. So don't get confused, it is characters and here it is words. Okay, so basically with characters you can make around 5 articles per month of nearly 2,000 words, whereas in papertype.ai in $39 plan, it's completely written that 7,500 long form content words. So you can make nearly 3 or 3.5 or nearly 4 articles per month of 2,000 words each. Okay, however, if you are the one who is gonna use papertype often for writing their blog posts, so I will suggest to go with tier 3 plan, that will give you access to 70,000 long form content words per month. So that's quite huge, and with 70,000 long form content words, you can easily make 35 to 40 articles of 2,000 words per 2,000 words per month. Okay, so that's quite reasonable, and yes, that is really good. So now before moving towards the dashboard, I want to give a shout out to our Facebook community. Okay, I will provide the link of our Facebook community in the description, so you can just check it out. It will really help you, because we are communicating with each other regarding LTDs, other stuff that is going on in the SaaS market. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard of papertype.ai. So this is the dashboard of papertype.ai. So here you can see all the use cases, that is website headlines copy, brand product descriptions, Google ad copy, tweet ideas, then social media post captions, then blog ideas, then e-com product descriptions, then Facebook ad copies, then SEO meta descriptions, then before after bridge copywriting, which is very exclusive use case that I saw. However, it's present in Writer, Jarvis and Write Cream as well, but it's definitely very useful. Then blog conclusion, then blog outline, then blog intro, then pain agitate solution copywriting, then value proposition. This is also one of the exclusive use case that you will only see in papertype. Okay, then engaging social post, then blog headline expander, feature to benefit. This is the one that I also saw in Write Cream, and that really worked out. Okay, then website sub headline, then YouTube video description, then product review generator, then content rewriter. So here is one thing that can help you, that is content rewriter. Basically you won't need this if you are generating content from any AI, but if you are the one who is doing guest post or something like that, who don't want a very unique article, so you can also use this. Okay, Then Amazon product description, core answers, content expander, customer review response, first to third person converter, that you will only see in peppertype.ai as much as I have experienced. Okay, then personal bio, cold emails, email subject line. So this was the use cases of peppertype.ai that is present as of now. I am missing one use case that is very important as per my perspective, that is blog section writing. Okay, that is something present in Writer, Write, Sonic, etc., but it's still not present in peppertype.ai. That is something that you will definitely need when writing a blog post from using peppertype.ai. However, they have like blog conclusion or blog intro, but blog section writing needs to be added. Okay, so now let's look into these use cases and check the quality of it. So first of all, we will check the quality of blog intro, as this is one of the most most demanded feature I have seen in any AI content writing software. Okay, so for example, just let's just put this writer, oh sorry, let's just copy this. Yeah, so let's just, oh I have already given that. Let's just click on create and see what's the output. Okay, so we got our output. The output characters is 489 of the first one, that then 230. So we got three output. Let me read it for you guys. First one is, just like the internet, AI has changed the landscape of content writing too. Peppertype is an AI content writing tool that will help in writing blog posts, add copies and many more within seconds. The best part, Peppertype is not like other content writing tools that rule out many good words by saying that they are overused. Peppertype will even make use of words that are banned in content writing to make your text more meaningful. Learn more about Peppertype at here. So it's looking very good. Now let's see the second one, a blog on the AI powered copywriter. It is well known fact that content is the king on the internet, but writing content has never been easier, as the AI powered tool will help in writing blogs, add copies and many more in seconds. So I am really much impressed with the output quality of blog intro. Now let's see other use cases as well. Okay, so let's check blog conclusion. So I am putting conversion AI here. Let's click on create blog conclusion and we have to wait a bit. Okay, yeah, so we got our blog conclusion as well. So I'm reading. If you are looking for way to create high converting copy for your ads, emails, landing pages, websites or social media posts, we have some great news for you. Conversion.ai is now available to all HubSpot customers. This is a big step forward for the company, because we are helping marketers accelerate their content creation. With Conversion.ai, HubSpot customer can either use the platform to create new content or improve their existing copy. Then there are someone. So this doesn't look much impressive. This needs to be improved a bit, but I think it depends sometime. Okay, so let's try it again if it gives us much better output. Okay, let's just create again on. Now let's click on Peppertype one. Okay, so let's wait a bit. Yeah, so we got our conclusion as well. The first one is, now that you have learned more about Peppertype, we hope you will take a look at the tool and see how it can help you with the content writing. If you have any question, please ask us in the comment section below. If you would like to contact us, you can reach us at / then thank you for reading. So this one really looks good. Now let's read second one. PaperType is a blog post writing tool that has a powerful AI machine learning engine that is capable of writing content that is unique and relevant to your site. The AI engine is capable of learning your content preferences and style so that it can write engaging and natural sounding content for you. The AI engine allows you to focus on important tasks instead of spending time on content writing. You can visit the website. So this one really looks cool, and before moving forward I want to say that if you guys are searching, if you guys are searching for a tool that will help you in blog post writing, try Jarvis, or if you don't have much budget, go with papertype.ai. okay, this one will really help you out. But still, if you are searching for something that will help in copywriting, go blindly with either Write Cream or Write Sonic. They are amazing. Okay, so yeah, these tools are mainly what I saw in PaperType. This will really help you in making informational blog post. Okay, so cause sometimes if you are making a blog post a bit technical, the facts may be wrong. That is something which is still lacking in most of the GPT-3 based AI content writing software. Okay, so I just thought of awareing you guys. Now let's check another one, that is Google Ad Copy. Just click on creating Google Ad Copy and let's wait a bit. So we got, so the headline 1, the AI powered content writing tool. The headline 2, get on brand content written. Headline 3, write high quality content faster. Description 1, build content on your own. PaperType.ai is an AI powered content generation tool that takes care of all the hard work for you. Description 2, stop wasting your time and let PaperType.ai do the hard work for you. Get on brand content created and ready for you to edit. This one looks good. Now let's read second one. Headline 1, get high quality content for your blog. Headline 2, automate your content marketing. Headline 3, your ultimate content assistant. Description 1, let PaperType.ai do the hard work for you. Automate your content creation, get fresh on brand content in seconds. Description 2, no more copy and paste, save your time and automate your content creation. So this one is also a bit good. So yeah, you can just copy from here, just click here and the words will be, or the paragraphs will be copied. Okay, or if you want it to save for later, just click on save and it will be saved. And you can just get that from here, just click on saved copies, and yeah, you can see here I've got mine. So yeah, this works like that. Now let's check other use cases as well. Let's try this one, cause this one is very exclusive. Let's create. So yeah, we got, so I put that I am Yash and I am the founder of SaaSfreak. So yeah, here it has rewritten it as he is Yash and he is the founder of SaaSfreak. So basically, let me explain what this use case was. So basically, the use case is first to third person converter, and it work. It will convert any paragraph or any sentence from first person to third person. So if you are in story writing, this can help you. Okay, now let's try AIDA copywriting, or sorry, AIDA copywriting. Just wait a bit. So yeah, we got, so I'm reading. First, attention, write better copy in less time. Interest, avoid the need to hire a copywriter yourself using an AI powered tool that lets you write like a pro. Desire, accessible and affordable for small business. Action, try it yourself at PaperType.ai. Conclusion, For people using copywriting, it is better to use this software. This is because this software can help to generate an interesting headline, give an interesting content to write, and end up with a catchy call to action. So yeah, the output is good. Now let's try some other use cases. I will try content expander. Yeah, so this sentence is quite short, so let's just expand it. Just click on create and wait a bit. It might take a bit more time. So yeah, we got our, so here it is. Basically it has expanded my one line sentence to almost 7 line. So that's quite huge. Let's read it. I am Yash. One of the most important decisions I have made in my life was to start SaaS Freak, a blog that covers all things SaaS. My goal with SaaS Freak is to demystify the world of SaaS for anyone who is interested in or needs to use a SaaS product. I've been a tech geek since a young age and have always been interested in software even before I needed to use it. I have been very passionate about SaaS from the start, and I have been using and writing about SaaS since 2010. I am grateful to be able to share my knowledge in a way that can help people use SaaS more efficiently and get the most out of it. So the quality is very decent. Okay, so I am really liking the output quality as of now, and I will definitely recommend you guys to try it once. Okay, if you don't like it, just refund, cause AppSumo provides 60 days money back guarantee, but I am damn sure that you guys will like. So now let's try other one too. So what should we try now? Let's try content rewriter. That's something that won't be much effective for most of us, but just let's give it a try. So yeah, Conversion.ai is a machine learning copywriting tool that autonomously writes high converting copy to convert any audience. It can be used across many industries to write emails, text landing pages, home pages, and more. So yeah, it's something, just copy it first. Let's copy it. So yeah, let's compare what we gave it as a input and what we got as a output. So basically the input was Conversion.ai is a copywriting tool that uses machine learning to write high converting copy for our ads, emails, landing pages, websites, and more. And here it is what we got. Conversion.ai is a machine learning copywriting tool that autonomously writes high converting copy. So convert any audience. It can be used across many industries. So yeah, here it is. This is the thing that is added. Okay, so let's try some of the most demanded use cases, that is pain agitate solution copywriting. Just click on create and it will start creating the copy. Okay, so yeah, we got our copy here. The pain here is writing engaging content is one of the hardest part of any online business, and sometimes it is hard to create a blog post or ad copy that can give you the best result and boost your sales. Agitate. There is just no time for you to write engaging content, as running as online business you are always on the move and never get enough time to give time to your business and writing blog posts. Here is the solution. With PepperType, you can finally stop worrying about what you should write for your blog post. PepperType writes engaging blog post for your business that can generate extra traffic and leads for your business. So yeah, the output quality seems very decent. You can also judge it by seeing this. So this was some of the main use cases. Let's just try one. Cold email. I will just put it here. Who is sending this email? Yash, product manager. I am just putting it as an instant. That's absolutely not a reality. Okay. So yeah, here is what we got. Dear, first name. Peppertype is an AI powered content generation tool that helps you create high quality marketing content with click of a button within minutes. By using AI algorithms and NLP, Peppertype can provide the complete content marketing needs of your business within seconds. From Anirudh. So this seems quite good. However, I think the name is wrong, which I gave it Yash, but here it is Anirudh. So let's leave that. So yeah, this was about the output quality of peppertype.ai. Okay, long story short, I did like peppertype.ai for long form of content, but still, if you are the one who is getting the AI tool for copywriting or email personalization, go with Write Cream. You can also find that review in my previous video. So basically it really gives competition to Writer and even Jarvis to some small extent. I won't say it's complete a competition to Jarvis, cause it's absolutely not. Okay, you can compare the pricing as well. Jarvis Boss plan is costing around 129 or $139 a month, whereas the Peppertype AI lifetime deal is costing you just $39, the tier 1, and tier 3 is just costing you $199, which is equal to nearly 1.5 months of Jarvis boss plan mode pricing. Okay, so I won't say that it's complete competition to Jarvis, but yeah, it may help you definitely. Okay, for long form of content it's really helpful as the output quality seems good. So yeah, this was the conclusion. It's best for blog writing when you don't want to spend heavily on Jarvis AI. It's really a perfect alternative to Jarvis and Writer. So if you're the one who is just frustrated about the limit of Writer, as you can see, the limit is really low, man. 50,000 characters, nothing when you are gonna write 8 or 10 or 15 blog posts per month. So in that case, just go with peppertype.ai. It's really gonna help you. So that's all in today's review. I hope you guys liked the review. If you guys liked the review, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion, just put that in the comment below. Thanks and have a nice day.